Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to another deep dive into the latest health trends. Have you been catching wind of the latest trend sweeping through TikTok? It seems like every day there's something new to try. That's right, I'm talking about Profi, protein coffee. It's the buzzword that's got everyone talking. So should you be adding protein to your morning brew? Let's break it down and see if this trend is worth your time. Protein is essential. Think muscle repair, immune support, and so much more. It's a building block for our bodies. But while protein powders might seem like a quick fix, whole food sources of protein usually pack a bigger punch. They offer a more balanced nutrient profile. They come loaded with vitamins, minerals, and compounds that powders often miss out on. Whole foods are nature's complete package. Now, if you're reaching for that protein powder, make sure it's a high-quality one. Not all protein powders are created equal. Check the label for added sugars and artificial ingredients. Less is more here. You want to avoid unnecessary additives. We all know coffee boosts alertness and energy, but it's got a downside too. It's a double-edged sword. Increased heart rate and potential digestive discomfort ring any bells? These are common side effects of too much caffeine. Plus, too much caffeine can mess with your sleep. It's a stimulant that can keep you up at night. Sleep experts recommend steering clear of caffeine 8-10 hours before bedtime for a better night's rest. Quality sleep is crucial for overall health. Trust me, your future self will thank you. A good night's sleep can make all the difference in how you feel the next day. Another thing, mixing protein with coffee might not sit well with everyone's stomach. It can be a bit harsh for some. If you've got irritable bowel syndrome, you know what I mean. Digestive issues can be exacerbated by certain combinations of foods and drinks. Digestive discomfort is no joke. It can really affect your day-to-day life. So, is Profi harmful? Not really. But moderation is key. Like with anything, balance is important. Keep an eye on how your body reacts and adjust accordingly. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. In the end, whether Profi is a healthy trend or just hype depends on how you handle it. Listen to your body's signals. Listen to your body, choose quality ingredients, and you'll be just fine. Making informed choices is the best way to stay healthy. All right, that's your doctor's take on Profi. I hope this helps you make a more informed decision. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, stay curious. We're here to help you navigate the world of health trends. Catch you in the next one. Take care and keep exploring new ways to stay fit and healthy.